Morning, and today I'm going to be test riding the Harley Davidson Livewire. Roll the intro. Morning and welcome to another video, and today I'm test riding the Harley Davidson electric motorbike, the Livewire. I've been out on it now for about half an hour just to get a feel of it, because it's completely different to riding any other motorbike, and I've got to say it's fun. Yeah, I really like it. However, it does take a bit of getting used to with regards to no engine noise whatsoever. It's just like riding some sort of scooter, but it just twist and go. Having said that, it's definitely a bit of fun. There's no doubt about that. I haven't got the specs because this is a spur of the moment thing, so what I'll do is I'll put some specs up on the screen. So this video is just going to be really giving you an initial first ride thought, being completely ignorant and naive with regards to any specs the bike has and what the riding experience is like. And as I say, it's fun. It is completely fun. I just had a brief overview from the guys that are doing the demo rides, and it's got various riding modes on it. It's got the road mode, which I'm in here. It's got sport mode, rain mode, and I believe there's a couple of customizable modes that you can set your preferences to. This, I say, is the road mode. The sport mode has got better throttle response, but I was told also better engine braking. But to be fair, while I'm getting used to it, I'm just going to stick with the road. It's very, very responsive. Obviously, it's completely different to any other Harley Davidson I've ridden, being the fact that the stance of the bike, it's more like a naked street fighter stance than a cruiser or bagger, or even the Sportster. So it sits very much like my Suzuki SV650 in Spain, where my feet are positioned right underneath me, leaning forward in a very aggressive stance. Coming around these corners here, it's very easy to handle, very nice handling. Yeah, what can I say? I haven't really tested out the brakes yet. Let's try here. Yeah, the brakes are fine. No problem with them. It's got the usual things with regards to expect with Harley Davidson. It's got keyless ignition, self-cancelling indicators, and I believe this has got LED lighting all the way round, which is a little bit of a novelty for any bike being pushed by Harley Davidson, because that's the big thing, is that the incandescent bulbs that most of the Harleys still have in some form or another. But this is an experience, I've got to be honest. It is an experience. Let's go round and roundabout. Yeah, easy enough to do. Obviously, it's coming up. Open up that throttle and say that it is really fast. Very, very responsive, and I can see this being a bundle of fun. Absolutely a bundle of fun. We've got to go on to the question about electric, and is that the way forward for bikes? And Obviously there's a lot of debate, I'm not going to debate that here, but my only fear with this is, I think they said when I read up on it last night, it's got a 96 mile range in mixed use conditions. So 96 miles is not that far, but I believe it's got a quick charge facility that in 40 minutes the battery can be up to 80% charged on a quick charge facility, which is obviously really good. However, this is my fear with, look at it, it's definitely got power. My fear with electric is your range, and as I say, like if you're planning to go say a 400 mile trip a day and it only does 96 to 100 miles range, you're having to stop every 100 miles for at least an hour to charge it. That's based on finding a high-speed charging point. So I think these bikes have got a place definitely for city use and casual riding, commuting and stuff like that. Stuff where you know you're only ever going to be going out for less than 100 miles, and then you can come back and pop it on charge, and then you're never going to be affected by it. However, if you're looking to do any sort of distance trip at all, I can't see how these work. They say maybe in the future the technology gets better and the range gets better, but just at the moment I can't see how these will replace petrol bikes. But the fun factor, great, I love it. I am really enjoying it, and it's surprising me, to be honest. I didn't think I would. Having owned the Harley Davidson now for the last 2.5 years, I just love the sound of the Harley Davidson, the feel of the Harley Davidson. It's what riding is about for me, and this is just completely different. And as I say, it's not something that I'm dismissing, because I think it's the way we will have to all go in the future. It'll probably be after my time of riding. But yeah, it's fun. It's fun. And again, the only other thing that worries me with electric is no sound. It's hard. It's dangerous enough on a bike as it is, being seen. But at least with a motorbike, you can be heard. So that is another sort of warning signal for other road users you're around. But with this, obviously you're silent, so you're very reliant on, even more so on the attention span of the drivers around you, and I think you have to be extra vigilant. But all in all, I think, would I consider one? Yes, I would consider one as a second bike, definitely, just for shooting around town. But as a main bike, no, not for me. Not yet. Maybe when the technology gets a little bit better, is something I'll consider. But here we are back at Sykes Harley Davidson. I hope you liked that video. If you did, please press like, hit the subscribe button, and you'll get plenty more videos on Harley Davidson in the future. But in the meantime, I'd really like to thank you for watching. Ride safe, stay safe, and I'll catch you next time.